Hello everyone, welcome to Blissful Vlogs with Mark. Today I'm here in Sharjah Classic Car Museum. It's a very beautiful place. This place was established in 2008, later went under renovation and reopened in 2013, and it was open to cars and classic cars. Now when we say classic cars, they are mainly cars that were manufactured before the year 1990. So cars here are ranging from the year 1900 till that 1990. Now the beautiful thing is that most of the cars here are actually older than me. Let me tell you a secret. I was born way after 1990, so most of the cars here are actually my grandparents, and it's a very good privilege to have a chat or to come here to see the cars your great grandparents used when they were enjoying it. Most of these cars are not actually automotive, because if you bring these cars on the road now, they are actually going to make waves. So it's just a privilege for me to be here to have a look at these cars and to enjoy this place. Yes, so I want to tell you, if you are in the UAE, if you are in Sharjah, around Sharjah, it's a very beautiful place for you to come when you are free. During your leisure time, you can have a look at this place. Like, I'm going to drop everything you need to come here, okay? The amount, the tickets, the map, everything you need, I'm going to drop it here. It's quite unfortunate that when I see people come into the UAE, they just have to go, they only go to the desert safari. Yeah, it's not bad for you to go to the desert safari, okay, but there are other beautiful places that you should come, like this place. It's it's a museum for classic cars that were made way before most of us were born. It's a very beautiful place. If you have the chance, if you have a time, you don't know where to spend your weekend, you just want to make a drive through, you can just come around and have a look at the cars. Beautiful cars, look, you can see them around. Beautiful cars, nice cars of class. Yeah, classic, as you can hear the name, they are cars of class. It's a nice place. If you are a new subscriber, please, if you are a new person on my channel, that was what I meant to say. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video and leave a comment that, hey, I am new, I've just subscribed to your channel. If you are an old person, just say, hey Mark, I am here again. I'm very happy that you are here, and I'll be very glad to have a chat with you in the comment section. Thank you again. Now let me leave you to enjoy the video. Take care, and I love you. Bye-bye.